I have two different hanks here. When I open the mystery boxes looking for my finds, I thought the tender was motorized, and I did not pay attention and was trying to open it, and then I realized that the battery and the motors are located on the engine in the front, not like this hand right here. The motorized tender is what makes it run. Okay, let's go first with this one. Let's see the details. It has a lot of details and it's nice. This is the most common I have seen. It's made in China from Hip Toy Company, 2008. And this one, the other one, this is the first time I see one of these. And this is made in China too, 2012 from Mattel. And to be honest, like I say, this is the first time I have one of these in my hand. I've been selling for a long time on eBay and never have one of these. I don't know if it's the beginning of the material to reducing the size and on the engines, maybe, because if we compare this one, it's a little shorter. You see right there. Let me put the camera on there. They are side by side, and it's a little short, the material, and the tender is also short. You see that? I think Mattel was trying to save some material like plastic. They trying to save plastic so they can make more products. So I'm not saying it's bad, but I'm used to have the Hitoy company hank. I have a lot somewhere in the boxes. But anyways, let's measure in inches. The material is about 3 inches and 1/8 long. Yeah, and the Hitoy company is 3 inches and 7/8. The end, they have the same height. They are about the same. Yeah. Now the length on this, the material, I'm just gonna count the chassis, the lower part. See, 5 inches, 1/16, and the Hitoy company is 5 inches and a half, right there. Yeah, close, yeah. So I don't know if you guys had one of these materials. It's good. I never had one, like I say, and I'm gonna say it again. This is the first time I have one of these. The color is a little darker on the material than the Hitoy. Side by side. The difference I can see is that this wheel right here is painted red and it's bigger than the Mattel. This is really small, really small. And Mattel does not have the white footplate like this one, even though this piece right here, it's die cast, I mean it's plastic on a single piece, and the Hitachi company, they put it in a separate piece. It's not the same like, you know, like this one. And in the front they have pretty much the same face. The front right here, it's black, and the Hito is still white. It's not white, it's like a gray color. Here we have these little things. I don't know if they are whistles, I don't know. They are golden, and this one does not have the gold color on it. I just noticed, if you see right here, okay, take this apart. The roof is gray. Also, this little piece right here is gray. Same right here. Maybe the camera might not capture. Yes, it captured. And I see that this roof is black. Also, this part right here, black, black, and black. Never pay attention to that detail. And they're missing this little red lining on the piston. Yeah. So Mattel did skipped a lot of details compared with the Hitachi company. I don't know if the color already faded on this one, but it looks like it's this Mattel is brighter. And this lining right here, it's gold, and on the Mattel is silver, just right there, right here. More details missing from Mattel, just plain blue, and Hitachi company put silver right here and black this part. That's good. Now let's see the tenders. They still have the same, pretty much close, the same wheels printed, I mean casted. They some of the same design. The only thing changes is they are a little short. The material is short. Oh, okay, we have silver color right here, and this one is plain simple blue. Also the back is the same. See, and they did leave this whole thing black. They even didn't try to paint it red like Hitachi company did. I think they're getting lazy. Mattel is getting really lazy. Yeah. So in Hitachi company, the battery compartment is right on the tender, like this. That's what I thought. In Mattel, I was trying, hard trying to get it open, and I didn't realize it was not the same. So the Mattel has the battery compartment in the front, right there. Yeah, nice. So anyways, thanks for watching. Over and out.